Jason Rohde's advocate was on the receiving end of a severe wigging on Thursday from the judge who found the businessman guilty of murdering his wife, Susan. Judge Guyat Salihlofi suddenly adjourned sentencing proceedings after accusing Graham van der Spy of taking your finger and throwing it in the air. She left the bench advising van der Spy to consult Rohde's attorney, Tony Mostert, about the way he was addressing her. The clash came as van der Spy was questioning Rohde's psychiatrist, Dr. Kevin Stoloff, who said the former head of Lugefine Sotheby's International Realty displayed none of the hallmarks of someone who would kill his wife. Van der Spy asked Stoloff to testify in detail about what the psychiatrist called a severe depressive episode Rohde experienced early in February 2018, when he became suicidal and was admitted a clinic in Cape Town's southern suburbs. During his hospitalization at the Crescent Clinic in Kenilworth, Rohde failed to attend court and Stoloff submitted what he termed a sick note. He compared the murderer's health to someone who had suffered a heart attack or stroke, and said it was out of the question that he could have attended court. Van der Spy told Salihlofi he wanted to explore the incident because Rohde's compliance with court orders, and his conduct during the case, was a significant mitigating factor when it came to sentencing, and he was anxious that his client should not be prejudiced by his failure to appear in February. He pointed out that Rohde's failure to appear in February was one of the reasons the judge had denied bail after Rohde's conviction on November 8. But Salihlofi told him this was not a bail application and asked him to move on with his examination of Stoloff. When van der Spy requested clarification on whether he could continue with his line of questioning, an argument developed and the judge left the bench. It was not clear when proceedings would resume. Earlier, van der Spy said that in addition to Stoloff he would call Rohde's eldest daughter, Katie, 20, his mother, Brenda Rohde, and 2 friends and former colleagues to give evidence in mitigation of sentence.